Hi friends, today we'll be talking or discussing about the working of a hydraulic master cylinder. In an automobile which employs a hydraulic braking system, this is very relevant. So I have drawn a master cylinder over here and let's see how it works. And we have a master cylinder over here, so we'll open it up and see which are the internal components of a master cylinder and how it actually works. So let's go to the theory part first. And so this is the master cylinder over here. It is marked in green over here. The internal components, we have a plunger inside it, and we have a spring over here, we have a valve stem, we have seals over here, and this is the whole unit. And we have two ports. One is connected towards the reservoir, which will be filled with hydraulic oil or the fluid, and the other end is connected towards the brake piston housing. So let's see how it works. So here we have a master cylinder. So this is actually the master cylinder over here. So we have this rod over here which is connected with some other external connections towards the brake pedal. So as we exert pressure on the brake pedal, it is directly acting towards this particular rod through other connections. So what happens is that it exerts the pressure inside. That means a pressure is acting in this direction, inside towards the master cylinder, so which leads this rod to move inside as we push or exert pressure on this pedal, which will result in this plunger to move. As this plunger moves, it is connected through a spring with a spring and a valve stem towards the piston at its end, and as it moves inside, gradually what happens is that there is a reservoir port over here which connects towards the end of the bore of the master cylinder. So when it moves towards the end, the piston with the seals over the end at this valve stem crosses the reservoir connection towards the master cylinder. So that connection gets cut. So after further, when the plunger moves, the pressure develops inside this cavity in this area. So the fluid gets pressurized, and that pressure is directly transmitted through this port towards the brake piston housing. So the brake piston, as the pressure reaches the brake piston, it pressurizes the brake piston and makes it move, and resulting in the application of the brake. So that's actually how a brake happens when we press a hydraulic master cylinder. The pedal moves, the plunger moves in, pressure gets developed inside it, and the pressure moves towards the brake piston housing, which makes the brake piston to move, resulting in the braking. So let's see how it actually works. We have a master cylinder over here. So this is how it's here. Let's open it up, and this portion, let's open it up. Here we have the plunger, and inside the plunger we can see there's a spring and there's a valve stem, and end of it we have a piston. So this is the plunger. Actually this plunger, as it moves, when the pedal is pressurized, this plunger moves in, and which exerts this spring. This spring moves towards the end of the bore, and pressure is created over here, and as a result of that, this area, the reservoir opening or the port, gets closed and pressure build up over here, and as the plunger further moves, this pressure moves outside or is directed towards the brake piston housing through this port, and resulting in the brake, or that's how the brake is happening with the help of a master cylinder. So I hope you understand the working of the master cylinder, and you can see the both ports. This is the port connected towards the reservoir, and this is the port which is connected towards the brake piston housing. So that's simply how a master cylinder works. I hope you understand. For more videos, technical videos, you can visit my blog. In the description page the link is given, or you can watch other videos in my YouTube channel. Thank you.